Hey there, my name is Mauricio Dominguez and this is my project for my 305 ME305 Plus. And the name of my project is the Security Systen 300. And pretty much what it is, it's a system that will detect if the door is open or closed. And if it detects it's open, it'll send a signal to an actuator to move the door forward and close it. What I'm using is this ultrasonic sensor to measure distance. I'm using this display as a security feature that will display if the door is closing, and it will say how long is waiting to close the door, either 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 15 seconds. I'm using this display to allow the system to change the time I want to wait. I could do one, I wait 5 seconds, number 2 will allow us to wait 10 seconds, and number 3 will allow the system to wait 15 seconds until closing the door, or remeasuring if the door is closed or open. So right now we're gonna use one, just to wait only 5 seconds. And pretty much how it works is if I open the door, I'll wait 5 seconds and then I'll activate the actuator to close the door. And I'm using a buzzer as well as another security feature to alert the user that the door will be closing in a certain time. We are doing this project just because my daughter, she just turned 15 months a few weeks ago, and she's walking everywhere. There is danger in some rooms of our apartment, and there's times that she is too fast and we just didn't realize whenever she wanders in rooms by herself. So we just want these doors to be closed all the time. Just to make sure that happens, we have created the Security Systen 300. And I'm going to explain a little bit how the actuator works. So we came over here. This is the actuator that I'm using. I'm pretty much using an RC motor. And how it works is once it detects that the door is open, it'll activate the actuator and it'll move. What I'm using here inside the actuator is a relay that controls the power coming from the outlet. And here in the outlet, I decided to use the outlet just because it was the way to give enough current for the actuator to have enough power to move the door forward. Here I have added some tape just to make sure that the cable is away from hands or just getting stuck somewhere and pull the actuator or the system. But yeah, now I'm gonna explain a little bit how it works. Okay, so this is how I wire my system. I use this box. I made this box so I could put the sensor, the screen, and the input here. I have the Arduino here, and I'm powering it with a 9-volt battery. I have added this little box just to have the battery resting over there. And yeah, pretty much that's it. And I have just this just to run the wire to my actuator. And my actuator is over here, and I have a relay here. Using this relay to pretty much control whenever I want to put voltage into the actuator to move forward. Yeah, that's pretty much how I wire the system.